Welcome to BizFlow Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to cover firearm acquisition through the Receive by Invoice process. Let's get started. Starting from the dashboard, head over to the options on the left and hover over the PO and Vendor tab. From here, click on Vendors from the drop-down. Here you can check if the vendor you are receiving from is already in the system. If not, click on the Add Vendor button and fill out any information regarding the vendor. Once you have clarified that the vendor you are receiving from is in the system, go into the Receive by Invoice tab located under the PO and Vendor tab option. To create a new Receive by Invoice, click on the Add button located at the top right of the screen. Then, fill out the required information such as the vendor, today's date, payment due date, and reference or invoice number. You also have the option to take a picture of the invoice and attach it here. In the search box below, you have the option to find the item by typing in its barcode or name, or you can manually search for it by clicking on the Select Product button. A pop-up will appear and you can view all of the products. If the product is new, you can input its information by clicking on the New Product button. If not, simply select the item and click on Next. On this next page, you can update any information about this product if changes have been made to its product details or ATF required information. Then, type in the product serial number. If you have selected more than one of this item to be on the Receive by Invoice, click on the Add button to add the other item's serial number. Once you are done, click on Save. To update any information after you have completed the Receive by Invoice, simply click on the small red icon located next to the product's name. Let's say you want to add a new product onto this Receive by Invoice. Go ahead and click on the Select Product button. Then, once the pop-up appears, click on the New Product button. From here, you can start filling out the required information. In this instance, you can fill out the product's model name to be Beretta 905, its stock keeping unit name to be B905, its category to be Retail Department, subcategory to be Pistols, and brand name to be Beretta. Next, you can input the product's regular price and sale price, as well as the wholesale price, which is the cost of the product from your vendor. Let's say this product is taxable. Then, once you are done, save this information. In the next pop-up, you must update the ATF required information for this product. For this product, its type would be a pistol, its manufacturer would be Beretta, the importer would be the USA, and the model would be B95, and finally the caliber would be a multi. Add any other information needed, then input the product's serial number, then click Save. Finally, click on Save to save this Receive by Invoice. Once you have clicked on Save, you will see some additional buttons. For example, you can add any notes to this Receive by Invoice by clicking on the Add Note button. As well, you can update any additional freight costs. Once everything looks good, you must click on the green Approve button to update your inventory. A pop-up will appear and you can click on Approve again. From here, you can check if the inventory was properly updated in the Acquisition and Bound Book pages. First, let's check the Acquisition tab by heading over to the options on the left and clicking on Acquisition. Here you can view the most recent acquisitions at the top of the page, following the others below it. To check the Bound Book, head over to the options on the left and click on the FFL Bound Book tab. Click on the primary Bound Book where all transactions are stored. Then you can view the most recent acquisition at the top of the page, following the others below it. Lastly, you can check an individual product's inventory and see when an item was added or sold. To do this, copy the barcode of the product in the Receive by Invoice. Then go into the product screen under the Setup/Manage tab. Enter the barcode in the Scan/Enter item box, then click on the product that you would like to check information for. From here, click on the Inventory tab, and you can see each item that was added or sold. This completes a tutorial on how to input a firearm acquisition through the Receive by Invoice process in BizFlow. Thank you for watching.